We're happy to be here. Awesome time. Super excited to have such an energetic community of people cooking on PK Grills. So I want to start off by thanking our sponsors, the Arkansas Beef Council, of course, unloading all the great meat you guys are going to be cooking on today. FedEx for helping us out with that awesome welcome party last night. We drank some beers, listened to some bluegrass. It was pretty awesome. We think we're going to do that again.
I always use PK because they're so convenient.
I've got two of the classics. I've got a Duchess, the round one.
The PK Duchesses that were made in the 50s should have been called the PK Spaceship because they cook out of this world.
Love the PK. Matter of fact, I got 3 of them.
My oldest one's 40 years old. I inherited it from my grandfather. This one I got for my 40th birthday. It's a cooking machine. It's a cooking machine.
We won our first event last year with this one. That's the best grill I've ever had.
So much history behind these grills, like such a big following. It's really, really awesome. Gus over here is like 40-something years old.
42 years old. It's 42 years old, my bad.
PK's the best. This was my grandfather's grill. Definitely built to last for sure.
This one we got early May, and we got addicted to it, and then so we got this one about 3 weeks later.
Where else are you going to buy something that you get that kind of quality out of? You're not. Once you get it hot, it stays hot.
You know, in the name, it's portable, so it's easy to just kind of pick up and go. You can take it camping, take it to these comps.
Yeah, it's been great. I leave it outside. I don't even cover it up, you know, because it's not going to rust.
Oh, I love it. It's awesome. I actually signed up for the contest like 4 months ago. We've done every year for PK.
There we go. Good job.
I just want to thank PK Grills, all the staff.
They want this to be a great event. They want people to enjoy the sport. Now I need another PK, and I'm all for it.
I absolutely love it.